We are here today for BAM's on-site day. This is where everyone from corporate comes out to the apartments to see what our folks on the front lines do every day, maintenance, management, and what it takes to run these apartment communities.
It's a really great experience to be able to understand what our teams that are on site do every single day, especially out in the heat. It can get really hot outside and there's a lot of outside work to do. So it's very eye-opening, it's very humbling, I would say.
More than anything, it's about connection. It's a chance to learn from each other, show appreciation, and see the impact of every role up close. On-site day reminds us why we do what we do and why we're proud to be part of the BAM fam.
Bam, bam!